Who's annoyed by flooding cuticles with normal builder gel? Vetsi Solid Builder Gel fixed it for you. Let's see how it works. Apply base coat on prepped nail and cure for 60 seconds. Next, choose a right size off gel tip or dual form. Scoop some gel out with the tip. Extend it using your hand or a brush. Apply to your nail and press to avoid bubbles. Cure for 60 seconds, then remove the tips. File the sidewalls and get the perfect shape. It can be used for 3D nail art as well. Rub it into a ball, then press it on your nail. Shape it with a silicone pen. Sculpt the petals out. You can also add some rhinestones. Isn't it cute? Besides, you can make any design you want, such as a cute ring design. And chrome powder can be applied to it directly. Just remember Topli top coat at last. You can also DIY 3D charms with silicone molds. Grab yours now to have fun!